study about party.
Party.
Yeah, so tell me some venue that you love. You.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Coffee shop.
Love place, coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Pool.
Garden. Beach.
Beach.
House. Rooftop.
Rooftop. So tell me, which venue party do you like? Henry?
I like restaurant party.
Restaurant party. Why do you like restaurant party?
Because it has good food.
It has good food. Okay, very good. And how about you, Ryan? Can you remember some names? Tell me.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Coffee shop. Pool. Garden. Beach. House.
Rooftop.
Rooftop.
Yeah. Which venue party do you like? I
like beach party.
You like beach party. Why do you like beach party?
For beach, for eat, for
Because you like it because it's fun. You like it because it's fun. Now say again. I like it.
I like it.
Because
I like it.
because I like it because it's fun. I like it.
I like it.
Because it's fun. Okay. Now sing. Remember something? Tell me. Now say venue. Tell me. Where is it? Where is it? Louder. Where is it? Restaurant.
Restaurant, coffee shop, or garden, beach, house,
Rooftop.
rooftop.
Okay. Which venue party do you like? You like? Like what? Home party. You like home party. Why do you like home? Why do you like home party? Because you can meet your family there. And you can enjoy the party with your family. Okay. Tell me some activities. Abby? Contest. Sing. Okay, you follow please. This one. Good food. Okay. You change it. Talk with. Okay, you continue. Play ball game and
new friend.
make new friends. Sing, remember? What activity? What activity? Sing. This is dance. Okay. Sing. Okay. Rest up. Look at here. Look at here. Rest up. Remember this one? Take picture or take photo. Okay, which activity do you like doing in your party?
I like dancing
And one more?
and playing ball game.
Why do you like playing ball game in the party?
Because it's fun.
Fun. And how about playing ball game and what?
Have some
Contest. Do you like having some contest?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
Because
Interesting.
interesting. Yeah.
Okay, what activity do you like to play in the party?
I like talk and with
Talking with
talking
with friends, talking with my friends,
and play more game.
playing ball game, and playing ball game. Why do you like talking with your friends? Why do you like it? Because it's
But it's
fun.
fun.
Because it's fun. Because it's fun. Okay. You sing. Which activity do you like?
I like dancing and singing.
Oh, you like dancing and singing. No, just my friends. Oh, why do you like dancing?
Because it's fun.
It's fun, not funny, but it's fun. Okay, so thank you, three of you. Thank you, everybody.